Yo, Paul here with Zoom Gas, and today we're going to replace the air filter on our 2023 CR-V. So we're only going to need two tools, a little paintbrush and a DeWalt cordless vacuum, and then just one part, the replacement filter with the part number. So right away we're going to go ahead and get started to just remove these two clips, one right there and one on the back side underneath. Once you remove those two clips, there's two tangs on the right hand side of plastic. So lift up, pull out, and it's just that simple. Reach in there, pull out the old filter, and as you're going to see here, this filter has quite a bit of dirt on the underside of it as I pull it out, so it was definitely time to get that replaced. So then I grab the vacuum, vac out any loose dust and dirt, bugs that are down in there. Also grab that old paintbrush at this point, and then knock off any of the dust, the static electricity or whatnot sticking to the side, and vacuum that out, and then you're ready to put your new filter in. Notice that filter has a little tang on the front left-hand side. That's very important. It'll only go in that direction. So go ahead and put that in with the front left corner like that. It'll drop in. Once it drops in, you want to get those two plastic tangs on the right-hand side to fit underneath. Once they do, push down, and then get your two clips on the left-hand side to clip in. That's all that's left to finish the job up. So all in all, pretty easy maintenance that you can do in less than 60 seconds. Hit that like and subscribe button, and thanks for watching.
Zoom gas, it will make it go fast.